Structure of a neuron consists of three basic parts: the cyton, the dendrites, and the axon. The cell body is divided into three. First, the cyton. The cyton is called as a cell body or a perikaryon. It has a central nucleus with abundant cytoplasm called neuroplasma. The cytoplasm has a large granular body called Nissls granules and other cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. Neurons do not have an ability to divide. Several neurofibrils are present in the cytoplasm that help in the transmission of nerve impulses to and from the cell body. Now look at the structure of a cyton in the diagram. The cyton ends in the dendrites. And now what are dendrites? They are numerous branched cytoplasmic processes that project from the surface of the cell body. They conduct impulses throughout the cyton. The branch projection increase the surface area for receiving the signals from the other nerve cells. Now coming to the axon. What is an axon now? It's a single, elongated, slender projection that runs over the structure. It ends in the fine branches called as a synaptic knob. Each axon is connected to the other neuron with the help of a synaptic knob. And this axon is a single-stranded structure and it is covered by the myelin sheet throughout the body. And it has a dips called as a nodes of Ranvier. That you can see very clearly in the diagram. The axon is running over through that with the nodes of Ranvier dipping and the myelin sheet covering the single axon. And they have an internode between each nodes are being connected. The myelin sheet acts as an insulator and ensures rapid transmission of nerve impulses. And these axons are with the help of a synapse, they have been attached to the other neurons. Those places are called as a synaptic knobs. These synaptic knobs are called as neurotransmitters. They transmit the nerve impulses from one neuron to the another neuron.